The look of stainless steel appliances against one of the best black kitchen sinks, along with a stunning countertop, will surely bring your kitchen to a new level of sophistication and elegance. We've researched and discovered the 12 top-rated black kitchen sinks as well as the worst one to avoid. And now, thefreshness.com reviews of the 12 best black kitchen sinks plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Kohler Iron Tones Smart Divide Self-Rimming or Undercounter Kitchen Sink. The Kohler Iron Tones Smart Divide Undercounter Kitchen Sink is the best kitchen sink around. The Smart Divide gives you a low-profile basin. The Kohler cast iron ensures that this sink will last for years. Durability is a top priority. When you're looking for dimensions, you want something that's large enough to work but won't take up all of your counter space. The Kohler's dimensions, as it sits down underneath the sink, is a little over 30 inches, but a bit over 16 inches. But the biggest benefit of this kitchen sink is the self-rimmed edge. The dimensions with the top edge are 33 inches by 18 3/4 inch, and both basins are 9 inches deep. Kohler Iron Tone Smart Divide Self-Rimming or Undercounter Kitchen Sink is a great utility and durability. The goal of any kitchen sink is to outlast any other aspect of your kitchen. When you're ready to get going and put in a new, you will want to order this kitchen sink quickly. The installation is fairly easy, but be ready to cut into your counter. Coming in at number 2, the Whitehaus WHQDB332 Double Bowl Fireclay 33-inch Fluted Farmhouse Apron Sink. This sink is all about design and bringing a new visual appeal to your kitchen. Taking the title of Best Farmhouse Black Kitchen Sink available, it's everything you could desire. The fluted front will fit in with both modern and old-style kitchen designs. The Fireclay casting ensures that this sink will last for many years and retain its durability. But the double bowl is nothing special. The bowls are split down the center with edge rims that are rounded edges. Both sides are large enough to accommodate a garbage disposal. The Whitehaus WHQDB332 Double Bowl Fireclay 33 Fluted Farmhouse Apron Sink has a finish on all sides and is reversible. The fluted front on one side can go towards the back to reveal a 2-inch lip on the other side. The center wall has a scoop shape that makes cleaning it very easy. Coming in at number 3, the Swanstone 33-inch by 22-inch Granite Large Small Double Bowl Kitchen Sink. The Swanstone 33-inch by 22-inch Granite Large Small Double Bowl Kitchen Sink is a great modern twist on the simple drop-in double bowl sink. Without a doubt, though, this is the best kitchen sink for the money. It's not a high-end kitchen sink, but it has many great features. The most notable feature here is that both drain holes are towards the back of the sink. While many people don't think about this aspect of the sink, it will help to keep a lot of your under-sink storage space free to use. If you're looking for a beautiful black kitchen sink and you're on a budget, this is probably the best choice for you. The double basin design is easy to use and the size is great for medium to large households. Coming in at number 4, the Kohler Executive Chef Self-Rimming Kitchen Sink. Another Kohler sink that's wonderful addition to any kitchen, the Kohler Executive Chef Self-Rimming Kitchen Sink. This sink is the best high-end black kitchen sink. The double basin splits the sink into 2 sections that total 33 inches in length. Both basins are 10 inches deep. The color is what draws most people in because it is not a standard black. The black has a mild sheen to it and will fit well in a modern kitchen. The faucet holes might throw off some people because they are offset to the right side. There are 4 hole punches available to accommodate for any faucet that you want. The right size drain will also fit a garbage disposal. Coming in at number 5, the Contempo Farmhouse Apron Sink Front Step Rim Fireclay 30-inch Single Bowl Kitchen Sink with protective bottom grid and strainer by BOCCHI. The best black undermount kitchen sink available, is the BOCCHI Contempo Farmhouse sink. The Fireclay construction helps reinforce the durability, but it comes as a complete kit. The kit includes a bottom grid, a strainer, a cutting board that fits over the right side of the basin. The high pressure casting is exclusive to this model. The non-porous surface is great for any homeowner who has concerns about stretching or straining. The entire sink will hold up to chips, discoloration, scratching, and even cracking. The most common sinks that these sinks have are damaged during installation. If there are any issues, contact BOCCHI and take advantage of their lifetime warranty. The warranty does not cover all issues, but it does cover many. Coming in at number 6, the Transolid Radius 33-inch long by 18.5-inch wide Granite double offset undermount kitchen sink. The best black composite granite kitchen sink is this Transolid sink. The undermount sink ensures that you can take advantage of every inch of counter space. The overall dimensions include 31 by 7.5 inches by 19.25 inches, but the bowl dimensions are slightly smaller. Inner dimensions for the left bowl are about 16.5 inches by 16 inches. The inner dimensions for the right bowl are about 10.6 inches by 15.9 inches. These dimensions can make working in the sink easy. The sink uses a composite blend of 80% quartz and 20% acrylic. With composite sinks, you want to be sure that you clean them with a microfiber towel nightly to prevent water spots. Coming in at number 7, the TruGranite Kitchen Ensemble by MR Direct, a sink made for minimalists. TruGranite Kitchen Ensemble by MR Direct is the best single bowl black kitchen sink available. There are no additional accessories because there's no need for them. The styling is a simple rectangle with one basin. The sink is ready to take on any kitchen cleaning or cooking task. The durability of this composite sink is outstanding. With an 80% quartz and 20% acrylic blend, the sink is a solid form. The composite sink also helps to reduce any sound you might hear from your sink. It works as a natural buffer to sound. The extreme resistance includes stain and scratch resistance. The sink will also hold up against heavy pots and pans, weight and heat. There is a lifetime quality guarantee that covers this sink. Coming in at number 8, the Swanstone 33-inch by 22-inch double bowl kitchen sink. A drop-in double basin sink is a great addition to most kitchens. Many people enjoy bringing in a black sink to draw focus in their kitchen, but the black galaxy color is an addition that will only become a conversation piece. As a 22-inch sink, it's great for small households or people who are always on top of their dishes. The solid surface won't wear away even with years of use. The durability will stand up against hot pots and even boiling water. Swanstone 33-inch by 22-inch double bowl kitchen sink is heat and scratch resistant. With proper maintenance, you can even keep your kitchen sink free of stains. The overall dimensions of this sink are 33 inches by 22 inches, and both bowls are 9 inches deep. Coming in at number 9, the Kraus Kitchen Sink Granite. Beautiful design in a classic black finish, this 33-inch Kraus Kitchen Sink Granite sink is a great option for anyone. The granite composite is 80% natural quartz and 20% blended acrylic. This material blend ensures the durability and feels like real stone. The non-fading color uses a UV-stable material that gives a very consistent color. The dual mount design lets you install the sink as an undermount or drop-in. Keep this sink clean with a granite cleaner and microfiber towel. The soft cloth will wipe away any water spots. While the sink is stain resistant, water spots are still a possibility. Coming in at number 10, the Elkay Quartz Classic Single Bowl Undermount Sink. When you're in doubt, go with a classic design. The undermount sink style will give you access to all of your counters, but it will also make cleaning your counters easier. Elkay Quartz Classic Single Bowl Undermount Sink measures in at about 24 inches by 18.5 inches. Both basins are 9 inches deep, with the exterior dimensions coming in at 9.5 inches. The best part about this sink is that it's very lightweight. Many people have to hire a plumber to install their sink because of the weight. This sink is only 26 pounds. You can easily install this sink yourself. The sink drain is at the back of the sink, which will give you more access to your storage under the sink. Coming in at number 11, the Franke USA Single Bowl Sink Granite 9-inch Deep Sink. A single bowl with a bit of a design, this large bowl uses granite and a curved design to fit into modern kitchens. The quality and durability of this sink are exceptions. The hard components of Franke USA Single Bowl Sink Granite 9-inch Deep Sink make it both scratch and trip resistance. It's even stain resistance, but can get water spots. To keep your sink in top shape, use a mild granite cleaner. The installation options include installing as a top mount or undermount sink, but for either, professional installation is best. A plumber can easily put this sink in a short period of time. The best part about this sink is that its non-porous nature prevents the presence of bacterial odors and helps reduce growth. If you have concerns about sanitary sink conditions, give this sink your consideration. Coming in at number 12, the Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch bowl depth undermount. A simple single bowl with the drain on the right side. The sink does require an outside cabinet of at least 33 inches if you're dropping the sink in, but if you want to install the sink as an undermount, you'll need to have 36 inches of cabinet space. The Blanco 440194 single 9.5-inch bowl depth undermount is resistant to scratches, acid solutions, alkali solutions, and stains. The undermount installation options let the sink drop in easily. The sink clips are sold separately. The flat deck on the sink makes it a top choice for anyone who's looking to drop in or undermount the sink. The only downside here is that this sink comes with only a limited time warranty. The warranty only covers manufacturer defects. And now for the black kitchen sinks to avoid. The Dekor sinks, Bridgewood Composite Granite Single Bowl Sink. Too often people get pulled into this sink because of the price, but this is the worst black kitchen sink on the market. The Dekor Sinks Bridgewood Composite Granite Single Bowl Sink is just not durable. These sinks often come with cracks or deep scratches. The delivery is not the fault of the manufacturer except poor construction. The proof of poor quality is in the edges. If you're looking for a sink that can top mount, you'll want to ensure that the edges look nice. The edges on this sink are very rough and cannot allow for decent top mounting or drop-in installation. Avoid this black kitchen sink. The finish looks spray painted on and the edges will eventually crack and spiderweb. And now our final thoughts on buying the best black kitchen sinks. We found the best black kitchen sink, and it's everything you could want from a kitchen sink. Its finish will not easily pick up water spots and it's easy to clean. But most importantly, you should find the right black kitchen sink for you based on your kitchen's designs.